Okay, Chromecast 3rd gen review. Just got this today from Corey's. I'm just gonna go through. I have the 2nd gen actually. This has got mine from the 2nd TV, so I need to get this one now. So it's not 4K, and I hope I'll be able to watch 4K on YouTube. Watch a lot of 4K content on YouTube these days, but it says 1080p. But I'll check that out and see what it says. I'm just hoping that the 4K restricts Netflix and other things like that, but not YouTube, but I'll check. So actually it has new things now. So BT Sport is part of it now, Spotify, Facebook. Okay. I think YouTube was on the 2nd gen, Google Play was on 2nd gen, BBC iPlayer, obviously the catch-up TVs, MyFi 04 and ITV4, all those. Netflix was part of the 2nd gen, Now TV I think. BT Sport I think, I'm not too sure actually about BT Sport, but Facebook I definitely know is not part of it. Okay, so let's get into it. Okay. Oh, I think I did I open it upside down, so let's get started in our books. Be safe, yeah, we'll be safe. That's your cable that charges it. Where is it? Yeah, USB. Okay, that's the plug. Oh, that's a plug. Don't think I need a plug, but yeah. I think you can plug to the TV. And there it is. Ooh. I think it's matte grey. Matte grey, yeah. Yeah, similar to the other one. 2nd gen was a bit glossy, had like some pattern going on. This is just clean and simple. Okay. Alright, I'll go and set it up and come back to you again. Alright guys, that's the connection. As you can see, USB goes into that place. You can see the HMDI port. So the HDMI port goes in. So it's a shame that the 3rd generation has no magnets, so it's hanging down. The 2nd gen would have just clapped onto that place, but there's none. And then the power cable goes into where there's another cable into the TV down there. So you don't need to plug it into the mains actually, just like the 2nd and the 1st generation. So there you have it in terms of setup. And there you go. Just fits in easily into the back of the TV. our setup, guys. That's the photos.